17-year-old driver insurance is notoriously difficult to obtain, but it need not be a completely ruinous exercise, provided right measures are taken to ensure your young driver premiums are brought down to an absolute minimum. So why is it that young driver insurance is so difficult to obtain for 17-year-olds in the first place? Arguably the main factor which has been driving up premiums for younger drivers in recent years is their relative susceptibility to road traffic collisions. This is arguably due to their naturally inexperienced dispositions, and 17-year-old drivers should be under no illusion therefore that their policies will almost certainly be higher than the comparable policies of their more mature drivers, whom, in this scenario, we consider to be anybody aged 25 and over. 17-year-old drivers looking for cheap young driver insurance do have some options however, which, when used individually or combined, should help to reduce the cost of their young driver insurance premiums, regardless of their inexperience. Such measures include taking an advanced or supplementary driving qualification, such as the acclaimed Pass Plus scheme. Pass Plus is an increasingly popular supplementary driving course, which many leading industry figures believe should form part of the driver's compulsory training. The course includes tuition over various driving scenarios not covered on the traditional learner driver course, such as nighttime driving and the use of motorways, the latter of which is, in any case, forbidden for drivers using a provisional license only. Expected budget around £150 for the course, which, whilst seemingly prohibitive to the majority of 17-year-olds out there, will most likely bring premiums down by more than this amount year after year. It may sound obvious, but choosing a vehicle with a smaller engine capacity, or, more accurately, power output, is another surefire way of reducing the cost of obtaining 17-year-old insurance policies. The age of the car will also be a large determining factor for any 17-year-old driving wishing to obtain cheap young driver insurance. As a general rule, the older the better, but most drivers will wish to consider that there is often an inherent trade-off between the age, and hence, price, of a vehicle with its long-term reliability, safety, and second-hand desirability or residuals. Older cars will generally be cheaper to repair too, so the premiums charged by insurers will most likely reflect this. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.